And take this problem now here, where F is given, the particle is moving from the one point to other point. So here force given, we need to find the displacement now. Here this is, if I say initial point which is A, so the which is equal to at what point now 1 comma 2 comma 3 to where you tell me now B, which is equal to what, tell me now 7 comma 8 comma 5. The particle moving from A to B like this. Okay, A is the initial point, B is the final point. We'll find the displacement now. So how will you find the displacement now here? This is S bar, we can say. That is given as what, tell me now? X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. So that means what I can say now? So that is 7 minus 1 into I cap, X direction. Next, what I can say? 8 minus 2 into J cap. Next, 5 minus 3 into K cap. So how much will come now? S is equal to what, tell me now here? 6 I cap plus 6 J cap plus 2 K cap. This is the displacement we got. And force is given. And how much is force given now? F, which is given as what, tell me now? 3I plus 4J plus 6K. Now we need to find the work done. So this work done, which is equal to what, you tell me now? F bar dot S bar. So you can tell me now here, F bar dot S bar. So multiply the terms now here, 6 into 3, which is equal to what, you tell me now? 18. 6 into 4, 24, plus 2 into 6, which is equal to 12. So yeah, you tell me how much will come now. Simplify, how much will come? $30, 54 na? Yes, 54 joules.